Hey, welcome back to Kreationz. Today we're just going to do a small one. I'm going to show you how to remove the third brake light so we can put a new one in. I am putting, this could be a new one, or I just took it off the other car and I tinted it, so I want to get this one out to tint it and replace it with this. It's very easy to get out. So right here in the hole and right here in the hole is just a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm just going to stick it in here and unscrew it until it pulls out the side like this. And it's like, see how it's in there a little bit? It won't come out until you do that, till you get it. And on the bottom, you see these grommets will expand when you push it down in this hole. So after that comes out, there is a sensor right here, which is a pain in the butt to get out. So I am going to put the camera on the stand for a second, and then I'm going to show you how to get that out. So if you grab behind here, you'll see a little thing to push down, and I'll show you how to get it when I pull it off. But you got to stick your finger up in here, or you got to take the plastic all the way off so you can like open this piece up a little bit, and then stick your finger in there and wiggle it. Sorry about the camera. There it is. Okay. So see the little press on there? This thing? You gotta push that with your finger. It only goes in one way, so I would advise to put this on first when you put it back on, and then to screw it in. So we got that OEM one out of the way now. And we're gonna take this one, which is the basic same thing, OEM, but it's I'm going to install it back in. So putting back in is just the same as, it's like the backwards taken out. So you do the two plugs first and then you take this off. But I always put that on first because it seems to be easier to get on. So the little clippy goes in the back, which is strange. I don't know why they would fit it like that. And then once it's in, you just fit these rubber grommets down in the hole here. Kind of push that one in. You'll feel it pop in place like you heard it. And then find this one. All right, there it is. And then we're just gonna screw it in with the regular Phillips screwdriver. It's tight on that side already. There it is, tight already. So you just do the same thing to pull it out. Now let's put the trunk down so we can see what it looks like when we're all finished. So there's the hood up, all closed up, and it looks great. Let's try to get it from another angle. So now we have a smoked head, third brake light. We got the OEM off, quick and simple. Now it matches the rest of the car. Everything's smoke, 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 smoke. These were all OEM products. I paid like $20. For $20 you can go on Amazon and get the tint for this and put it on yourself. Watch some of my tint videos, and that's it. All right, thanks for having fun with us, visiting our channel, Kreationz. Give me a like, subscribe, and we're out.